Hi, today I'm making cheese quesadillas. I actually add vegetables to my quesadilla. You can add any filling that you like. I start with a handful of cilantro, red and green onion, an eighth of a cup of assorted bell peppers, and about a cup and a half, cup and a half of cheese, and that makes about eight quesadillas. And so the main thing about quesadillas is that really you can be as creative as you like. As long as you start with a hot pan, and I have a little garlic oil in there to sort of saute your vegetables. And I start to make sure that those are softened because the cheese quesadilla is going to cook fairly fast. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to add your tortilla to the pan. You're going to add just a little bit of cheese, about a tablespoon of the vegetable filling, and then you're going to just sort of fold over that tortilla. And you do that for about 8 times. Once you've completed that, you have your quesadillas, and you can cut them in half and they're ready to serve. It's a great lunch.